So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this video is going to be about reviewing the TestSprite AI tool that actually tests your code and fix and validate your software or whatever, like you're building a project, front end or back end. This testing tool helps you test all your code. The thing is that you have to install it in your integrated development environment, just like I have VS Code. So I'm going to show you how you can use their MCP server in your VS Code and utilize the power of AI testing to test your code. So without any wait, let's start the video. So now the next step is to when you come to the site, you have to sign up over there. So I have already signed up. I just gonna click on sign in. When I click on sign in, it will redirect to my dashboard. So over there I can see the all the interface. And so the first step is to we have to install it in our VS Code. I'm going to show you how you can install their MCP server in your VS Code. So I have opened the documentation over there where I can follow all the instructions to install manually in the VS Code, right? So if you have a cursor AI, whatever you have, you can also refer to the documentation to install it in your cursor AI or other IDs, So I'm just going to show you about the VS Code. So I have opened my VS Code over there. Look, and the first step is to I have to click on Control Shift and P. It will open my command plate, so it will open my command plate, then I'm going to click on MCP add server. Now I'm going to select the command stdio, and now here I have to paste the command, and that command actually will going to take from this type npx, which is npx TestSprite and TestSprite at the latest. I'm just going to copy this and paste it over there and hit the enter button. So over here he is asking me whether I want to install it globally or workspace. So I am going to install it globally, available in all workplace, runs locally. As you can see, it has just opened the mcp.json file. This file actually the configuration file of our TestSprite MCP. So we have to make a little modification over there. If you come to documentation, where they are asking us to add the env configuration, which is our API key. Okay, so I'm going to also show you how you can create your API key, but first I have to copy this all API key over there. Env object, we will copy the env object from them and paste it over our mcp json file. Okay, so over there we have just inserted our API key over object, which I am going to show you how you can get it. So over there you will going to paste your API key. So now came back to the site and come back to the dashboard over there. Now you have to click on API key section. Now create a new API key over there. Just click on new API key and name whatever you want. I am going to name it inventory e test. Right now I'm going to click on create. So over there I'm just going to copy that and close the dialog box over there. So my API has been created. Now I'm going to paste it in my API key. As you can see that it actually inserted over there. Now the next step is to click on the start over there, right? Running. So it is actually in a running state over there. Now I'm just going to close it. Now the next step over there is just I am going to open my Copilot. It's a Copilot, so I'm going to give him a context of add contact file folders and my inventory app, right? So now I'm going to say him that please test this project using TestSprite. This project using TestSprite. Okay, now I'm just going to click on the enter button. Now I have just given him a single prompt, and it will process all of my project files and test it all. As it is working, it will take time. It will ask you for the permissions to run commands, so you have to just allow it. Okay, one more thing I will say. So over there it is doing the task, and now it is asking me to allow the port. So over there there is a web page will get open. It will ask you some details about your projects. So it has already my port and local URL. Now the one thing you have to do is a product specification document. You have to provide the product specification documents of your project. So I have already the product specification document. You have to make sure that you have the one for the product you are actually testing. So I'm going to click on that and uploaded my product specification document and click on continue. It will automatically close that, and I'm going to gain back to my VS Code. have to allow this. It will take time, it will ask you for the permission, and you have to just give them. Like you can see over there, it has generated me a code summary JSON file, and that's really cool. And also you can see over there, it has also generated a TestSprite test, which is actually the files containing all the test cases. Now I'm going to allow it again. This is the folder where all your test cases files have been generated by the TestSprite, and that's really amazing tool. You don't need to do anything. This AI tool handle A to Z everything that you need to do. Allow, just keep them allow, it will take time. So as you can see, after a lot of time and the commands they have run, it has successfully tested my all the application. And I can also see the TestSprite mcp test report over there. We can see all the test cases details. Now if we want to go deep, we can go back to our site and click on mcp test, where I can see over there we have inventory app over there. And you can see all the tests. Out of 8 tests, they have passed the 5, and the 3 ones are the fails. And if I click on that, you can see all the test cases over there. It has passes the 5 test, whereas it has failed the 3 test over there. Yes, the best thing is that if you click on that, it will also show you the video of what your test is being showing, as you can see. And play the video, as it is showing you the exactly the video about the tests you have. It's overall generated the 8 test. Out of 8, the 5 has been passed and the 3 has been failed. This is how you can use TestSprite AI tool to test your application. So that was all about their how you can test your project. So now if we talk about their pricing range, and I think they have a free starter and standard and enterprise. So if you are a developer, then starter maybe the best suit for you. And if you want to try standard, you can also do. But if you want a discount, you can have a link inside my description of that video. Click on that link and signing up, and choose the plan that you want. Okay, it will give you extra discount over that, right? So that was all about the video. If you need any further more guidance, or if you don't understand anything else, you can comment down below. I will be there to help you. See you soon in the next upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.